Did you know this weird-looking gadget can clean your entire microwave in just 2 minutes with zero scrubbing? Today, I'm showing you 25 mind-blowing Amazon kitchen finds, all under $21, that will make you wonder, how did I ever live without these? Number 18 is a total game changer, so make sure you don't miss a single one. This heavy-duty jar opener grips any lid size and multiplies your hand strength. So even the most stubborn jars open on the first try. Specifically designed for people with arthritis, weak grip, or anyone who just hates the struggle. And that's basically everyone at some point. Non-slip rubber grip works on any jar from tiny to gallon size and built to last for years. Simple, effective, and one of the most practical kitchen tools you can own. Wet salad is the reason salad dressing slides off and your salad tastes watered down. The OXO salad spinner is the best-selling one on Amazon for a reason. One press of the pump spins your greens completely dry in seconds. The non-slip base keeps it steady, the lid locks for storage, and it doubles as a serving bowl. Over 50,000 five-star reviews. This is the kitchen tool that actually makes people eat more salad because the prep becomes effortless. This Dash Mandoline slicer cuts vegetables paper thin in seconds. Cucumbers, potatoes, zucchini, onions, anything that takes 5 minutes with a knife takes 30 seconds with this. Adjustable thickness settings, a built-in handguard to protect your fingers, and a non-slip base that stays locked while you work. Restaurant quality slicing at home for a fraction of the price. Meal prep just got twice as fast. Manual can openers are officially outdated. This electric can opener from Kitchen Mama sits on the rim of any can. Press the button once, and it opens the entire lid hands-free in seconds. No sharp edges, no struggling, no mess. It runs on batteries, fits in a drawer, and works on every standard can size. Once you use an electric can opener, you will never go back to the manual version ever again. Stop using those annoying chip clips that never actually work. This mini portable resealer heat seals any plastic bag in one swipe and keeps everything inside completely airtight. Chips, coffee, frozen food, cereal, anything that comes in a plastic bag stays perfectly fresh for weeks. It runs on batteries, fits in a kitchen drawer, and it costs almost nothing. This is one of those gadgets you didn't know you needed until you have it. Cutting corn off the cob with a knife is messy, slow, and you always miss kernels. This corn stripper slides down the cob in one motion and strips every single kernel cleanly into a bowl below. No mess, no scattered corn all over the counter, done in 5 seconds. Perfect for salads, soups, salsas, and any recipe that needs fresh corn. One of the most satisfying kitchen tools you will ever use. Press the button and your coffee stirs itself. That's exactly what this magnetic self-stirring mug does. No spoon needed, no clinking, no mess. It's rechargeable, waterproof, and the mug keeps your drink hot while it mixes everything perfectly every single time. Protein powder, instant coffee, hot chocolate, matcha, it works for all of it. This is the kind of product that goes viral because nobody knew it existed and everyone wants one the second they see it. One spoon that replaces an entire set of measuring spoons. Slide the adjuster to any measurement you need, from a pinch to a full tablespoon, and you're done. No more pulling out 6 different spoons for one recipe. No more searching the drawer for the right size. No more losing the tiny ones. Stainless steel, dishwasher safe, and it makes baking and cooking measurably faster. This is the kind of product that seems too simple to be great and then turns out to be one of your most used kitchen tools. Drop your garlic cloves in, twist, and perfectly minced garlic comes out the bottom. No peeling, no smelly hands, no press to clean. The garlic twister does the whole job in one motion. Peels, crushes, and minces all at once. It's dishwasher safe, the clear body shows you exactly what's happening inside, and it works every single time. If you cook with garlic even twice a week, This thing pays for itself in convenience immediately. Fill this little steamer with water and vinegar, microwave it for 7 minutes, and every single splatter and stain inside your microwave wipes off with zero scrubbing. The steam loosens everything, and the mess just slides right off. No chemicals, no effort, no soaking. People who buy this say it makes their microwave look brand new in under 10 minutes. It's one of those cleaning products that genuinely delivers on every promise it makes. If your Ziploc bags are just loose in a drawer right now, this bamboo organizer is going to transform that drawer completely. It holds every bag size, sandwich, quart, gallon, standing upright and separated so you can grab exactly what you need with one hand. No more pulling out 3 bags to get to the right one. It fits inside most standard kitchen drawers and honestly makes the whole kitchen feel more organized just by existing. If you have a tiny kitchen, you are wasting this huge space right here. This stainless steel magnetic shelf snaps directly onto your range in seconds. No drilling, no screws, no tools. It creates instant storage for your spices, oils, and cooking essentials right where you need them most. Heavy duty, heat resistant, and it looks completely built in. One of the best small kitchen hacks you will find anywhere this year. Everything at the back of your pantry, fridge, or cabinet becomes instantly accessible with a Lazy Susan. One spin and you can see and reach everything without moving a single item. Condiments, spices, canned goods, oils, whatever you store in deep spaces, this solves the problem permanently. Adjustable dividers keep everything from sliding around, and it fits on almost any shelf. Simple product, massive impact. A full-size colander that collapses flat and fits in a drawer. That is the entire reason this product has sold hundreds of thousands of units. It works exactly like a regular colander. Pasta, vegetables, fruit, anything. And when you're done, it folds down to less than an inch thick. For small kitchens with limited storage, this is genuinely one of the best purchases you can make. Dishwasher safe, and it comes in multiple colors. These silicone ice trays have lids, stack perfectly in the freezer, and the ice pops out with one push. No twisting, no running under hot water, no fighting. The lids stop your ice from absorbing every smell in the freezer, which is something everyone has experienced and nobody talks about enough. 4 trays, completely reusable, and they come in fun shapes that have been going viral for over a year. Your ice situation is about to get significantly better. These silicone straws fold down to the size of a keychain and come with a carrying case that fits in your pocket or bag. No more plastic straws, no more paper straws that fall apart in 30 seconds. These are soft, flexible, food safe, and they come with a cleaning brush that actually fits inside the straw. Travel, restaurants, coffee shops, at home. One set that replaces thousands of disposable straws and lasts for years. Drop this bottle cleaner inside your water bottle, add water and a drop of soap, press the button, and it scrubs every surface automatically in 60 seconds. The spinning brush head reaches the bottom and sides that your hand never can. Stanley cups, tumblers, thermoses, protein shakers, anything with a narrow opening that's hard to clean properly gets spotless every time. No more smells, no more residue, no more guessing if it's actually clean. Fill this with any oil you already have and spray a perfect even mist over your pan, your grill, your vegetables, your baking sheets. No more pouring too much, no more soggy food, no more wasted oil. One pump gives you complete control over exactly how much you use. It works with olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, anything. Healthier cooking, less waste, and it looks a lot better on your counter than a giant bottle. Look at the gap between your stove and your counter. There is food in there right now, and you know it. These silicone gap covers seal that space completely, and food, crumbs, and grease stop falling in permanently. They fit any stove width, cut to size if needed, wipe clean in seconds, and heat-resistant up to high temperatures. This is one of those kitchen upgrades you do once and never think about again. Cheap, effective, and long overdue. Every home cook has a near-miss story with a knife. This stainless steel finger guard ends that entirely. It fits over your fingers and guides the blade safely every single cut. Professional chefs use finger guards for a reason. They make you faster, more confident, and completely protected. Adjustable fit, dishwasher safe, and it works with any knife you already own. 30 seconds to put on, and you will never cut yourself in the kitchen again. This rotary grater shreds cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and nuts in seconds with zero knuckle scraping. The food locks into the drum, you turn the handle, and perfectly shredded food comes out the other side, fast and uniform every time. Parmesan, mozzarella, carrots, zucchini, it handles all of it. 3 different drum options for coarse, fine, and ultra-fine grating. People who switch to this never go back to a box grater.